Today we're going to be talking about the Agent Config tab in Arive's company settings. Let's get started. Now, Agent Config tab is very simple. It has one very simple function. You're going to set up the URL for your agent's, the realtor's portal. What I mean to say is you're going to input what that custom part of the domain is that will be part of the links that agents get to access their agent portal. Now, you'll notice that this is a very similar setup to other places in the Arive settings where you've set the main domain name for ARIVE Loan Operating System. And it's a good best practice to keep these things similar or the same. You want it to be obvious where this domain, where this link is coming from, and ideally it should match the company name that you're already using. However, Arive doesn't restrict you in that way. You can change it to something else if it's appropriate or you have a good reason. Just keep in mind that you're going to do that here and only here. No other actions or configuration happens in this place. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you rely on these videos to stay up to date, consider supporting the channel using the link down in the description. See you next time.